Is your Ninja Speedi giving you the cold shoulder? Let's troubleshoot the issue step by step. No tools required. We'll start with the simplest fixes and move to more involved solutions if needed. By the end of this video, you'll be back to cooking in no time. Begin by confirming the appliance is receiving power. Wiggle the plug to ensure it's secure in the outlet. Test the outlet with another device. If it works, the issue is with your Speedi. If not, try a different outlet or check your circuit breaker. If that doesn't resolve the issue, unplug your Speedi for 5 to 10 minutes, then plug it back in. This simple reset clears temporary errors and restores function in most cases. Think of it like restarting your phone. Next, focus on the top heating unit. Lift it and reattach it firmly to the base. A loose connection here is a common cause of heating issues. Align the locking tabs on the top unit with the base, ensuring they line up smoothly. Check for debris or residue on the base that might block the connection. Wipe it clean if needed. Press down evenly until you hear a distinct click, which confirms the electrical contacts are engaged. Test the connection by gently lifting the unit. If it comes off easily, repeat the process. Avoid forcing the unit if it doesn't align smoothly, as this could damage the connectors. If the problem persists, inspect the heating element for debris or damage. Food particles, grease, or burnt residue can accumulate and block heat distribution. Use a soft, dry cloth or a brush to gently clean the element. Avoid abrasive tools that could cause damage. For detailed cleaning instructions, refer to your user manual. If you notice cracks, discoloration, or corrosion, the element may need professional repair. Still stuck? Use the link in the video description to reach Ninja's customer support. If this guide helped, subscribe for more quick fixes. Have another appliance issue? Let us know in the comments. We may feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!